Vive, simple, scalable wireless lighting controls for new and existing commercial buildings. Today, we're unboxing a wall sensor. This device is part of a Vive system. Vive works as a simple system. You can create a Vive system in 3 simple steps. Step 1, choose load controllers. Step 2, choose personal controls. And step 3, choose sensors. Step 3 is choosing sensors. Now, let's do some unboxing. Lutron occupancy sensors come as ceiling mounted, wall mounted, corner mounted, or hallway mounted. This unboxing applies to wall mounted occupancy sensors, corner mount sensors, and hallway sensors. Inside, you'll find the sensor and back cover, a battery to power it, some screws and anchors for solid ceilings, a temporary mounting adhesive strip, and an instruction manual. This is what the sensor looks like after unboxing. It has convenient buttons on the front, one to test the sensor detection and another to turn the lights on or off. The wall, corner and hallway sensors each feature a different coverage for optimal performance for your application. Please see the product specification for more details. This PIR-based ceiling sensor features a special sensitivity capability, a Lutron patented technology called XCT. The lights will no longer turn off when you're still in the room. There are buttons on the back to set it up as occupancy mode, absence detection only, or my favorite, low light level, which turns on the lights only when it's dark. You can have as many as 10 sensors talking to one load controller, flexible enough for any size of corridor or room. This sensor is completely wire-free. You can count on it always working through Lutron's ultra-reliable ClearConnect wireless protocol, and the battery life is guaranteed for up to 10 years. This product is perfect for any commercial environment, old and new.